This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and in this video I want to unbox this. So I literally just got it today and it got released today because a few days ago I managed to instantly pre-order it when it got launched, and thus I'm very excited to unbox it and check it out. So on the front part you see the design of the iPhone itself, and on both sides it says iPhone. The way you open it up is by taking away this little thin layer at the back of the phone. There we go. You also do that on the bottom, and then it's time for me to open it up. There we go. That's the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is how the phone looks like from the back side. It actually looks really crisp and good because currently I only have the iPhone 10 and I've had that phone for more than 5 years, and it's time for an upgrade because when it comes to the iPhone X I only have 64 GB on it and it's not enough. I'm constantly struggling to make videos, whether it's for TikTok or even using the phone for personal use, and thus it was definitely time for an upgrade. And when it comes to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, I got the 512 GB version. Another thing that you can find inside of the box is the charging cable, an Apple sticker, user guide in a lot of different languages, and also this tiny little clip that allows you to insert your SIM card. And when it comes to this iPhone, you don't receive the power adapter, so I had to purchase it separately. And when it comes to this power adapter, man, it actually fooled me because a few days ago I got a message on my phone and it said Apple has delivered your package. So I thought my iPhone has arrived earlier, but it was just simply this power adapter. But anyways, let's have a look at this phone now. So when it comes to this side, it shows that the notification button is here. You can turn your volume up and you can turn your volume down. And this side shows you how to turn your phone on and off. You insert your USB-C cable over here, and now let me get rid of this layer. There we go. And that's it. Just simply have a look at it. This is the iPhone X and this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max with 512 GB, and it's a lot bigger, and in terms of the design, in my opinion, it looked a lot more sleeker because relative to this design at the back, it's a little bit outdated compared to the new phone. And this is how the screen looks like. The first thing it says is hello, and then it probably will say hello in other languages. So let me swipe up. There we go. Let's put English, UK. And now I'm gonna use my previous phone's data and put it inside of this phone. So my previous phone got a notification, so let me share the data now. It says that it may take a few minutes to activate the iPhone. But man, so far I do really like this look. And now it's time for me to use my Face ID. Well, it does sound like a robot, but I mean the first Face ID is done. It also gives me an option to do Face ID with mask, but at the moment in the UK we don't really need to wear masks anymore, so I probably will skip this feature for now. And now it's time for me to transfer it for my iPhone. Alright, so currently I'm adding all of my business cards and normal cards to my Apple Wallet. Alright, so the transfer has been completed, so let me swipe up now. Alright, and that's it. Alright, so in terms of this phone itself, the main thing I want to check out now is the camera. Obviously, the phone has a lot of features, and if you'd like me to make a future update video on what kind of apps I use in my lifestyle and what apps I would recommend you to download if you're someone that wants to upgrade your life and generally wants to improve their lifestyle, definitely let me know. But now, let me check out the camera. Alright, so I've turned on my screen recorder, so this way we can have a look at the camera. It says photographic styles, blah blah blah, set up later. Alright, so this is how the camera looks like, and in terms of the camera, I actually think it looks really good. So if I turn it to the video mode, something that I'm super excited to check out, because when it comes to checking out the video mode, I can obviously use it for TikTok and make sure I can utilize it in the best way possible. And let me turn the camera sideways and see how it is. Alright, there we go. So as you can see, the camera probably is a lot better, and it's not even showing you the full function of the camera because I'm actually recording it on my iPhone rather than taking the footage out of it. But in terms of the camera itself, by looking at my camera recording me, I think it actually looks really good. So I'm very excited to check it out. So overall, when it comes to this new iPhone, I'm super happy to check it out because I needed a new phone anyways, and it came out at the perfect time. And that's pretty much the end of this unboxing, and I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know your thoughts on the new iPhone. Do you think it's a little bit too overpriced, or do you think it's at the right price point? Because for example, here in the UK, we paid a lot more relative to the US, and that's due to quite an enormous change in between the US dollar and the pound. So if you found this video informative and useful, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and if you'd like to see more videos on my channel when it comes to men's lifestyle, please consider hitting the subscribe button and help your brother out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.